A bill of lading, often shortened to BL or BOL, is a document provided by a carrier or its agent to confirm the receipt of cargo for transportation. While historically associated with sea transport nowadays, a bill of lading can pertain to various methods of shipping goods. In international trade, it is a vital document alongside insurance policies and invoices, ensuring that exporters are paid and importers receive their goods. Unlike policies and invoices which can be assigned, a bill of lading is negotiable. This document carries significant importance in international trade, granting rights under the carriage contract to the lawful holder. It is crucial for the bill of lading to be transferable. Functionally, a BOL acts as a formal receipt confirming loading, outlines the terms of the shipping contract, and functions as a document signifying ownership of the goods, subject to legal principles. Various trade agreements like Incoterms dictate terms such as CIF, FOB, or FAS, detailing responsibilities from the exporter's delivery to the vessel, with the loading typically executed by the carrier or a stevedore. The concept of bills of lading has deep historical roots, with evidence of similar receipts dating back to Roman times and becoming more standardized during the era of international trade in the medieval world. The term itself, bill of lading, is well established, but newer frameworks like the Rotterdam Rules refer to such documents as transport documents, encompassing various types like bills of lading and seaway bills. The etymology of lading links to the Old English word hladan, meaning loading, specifically referring to the loading of cargo onto a ship. The bill of lading serves primarily as a receipt provided by the carrier after loading goods onto a vessel. It serves as crucial evidence for customs, insurance, and as proof of fulfilling contractual obligations, especially under Incoterms like CFR and FOB. While the Hague-Visby rules consider it as initial proof of receipt, the Carriage of Goods by Sea Act 1992 designates a bill of lading as undeniable proof of receipt. A clean bill of lading is issued when there are no discrepancies between the shipped goods and the shipper's description, affirming proper loading according to the contract. Conversely, a dirty bill of lading is issued if discrepancies exist, allowing the buyer's bank to reject it or negotiate a reduced price. The term STC is used for goods in sealed containers, protecting carriers from inaccurate information provided by the shipper. It can impact liability, especially in FCL and LCL shipping situations, where the carrier's involvement varies if the cargo does not match the description. The bill of lading also serves as evidence of the contract of carriage, indicating that the carrier has received the goods and will deliver them. It demonstrates the agreement between the shipper and the carrier regarding the transportation of goods. If the bill of lading is transferred to a third party, it becomes conclusive evidence of the contract, barring contradictory claims. Moreover, when functioning as a document of title, the bill of lading determines ownership of the goods. It establishes who is entitled to receive the goods, with the endorsed bill indicating rightful ownership. The carrier bears responsibility if the goods are released to an unauthorized party. However, if the bill is a seaway BL, the document of title function does not apply. As per the legal principle, nemo dat quod non habet, meaning no one gives what he doesn't have, the bill of lading does not grant full title if the goods are encumbered or stolen, highlighting its role in defining rightful ownership. Although the bill of lading rarely constitutes the core contract, it incorporates standard terms of business and, under the Hague-Visby rules, automatically includes all the rules, establishing a statutory contract. Even though it is not the actual contract, it acts as proof of the agreement between the shipper and consignee. Bills of lading come in various forms, such as onboard and received for shipment. An onboard bill of lading confirms that goods have been physically loaded onto a shipping vessel, while a received for shipment bill of lading indicates that the goods have been received but not necessarily loaded onto a vessel yet, usually issued by a freight forwarder at a port or depot. These bills can be converted upon loading. The received for shipment bill of lading expedites document delivery to the consignee. However, it is not accepted for payment via letter of credit. Additionally, there are different types of bills of lading, like straight bills used for prepaid shipments and order bills used for shipments prior to payment. When it comes to bills of lading and charter parties, a charter party regulates the ship-owner-charterer relationship, while the bill of lading governs the shipper-carrier relationship. If the shipper ships a small amount of cargo, a bill of lading is used, but for substantial cargo, a charter party with the shipowner is necessary. In the case of charter parties, the shipowner retains control of the ship and crew in time or voyage charters, while in a demise charter, the charterer has full control of the vessel. Under the Hague-Visby rules, a carrier must provide a bill of lading to the shipper upon request, though a seaway bill can be issued if agreed upon, which is becoming more common and replacing traditional bills of lading. The key distinction between a seaway bill and a bill of lading lies in the fact that a waybill grants possession but not ownership rights, allowing for smoother trade flow and facilitating electronic data interchange, simplifying global trade processes.